Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Instagram friends on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click on the two horizontal lines on the top right corner. Here, tap the follow and invite friends option. Now click on follow accounts from Instagram option. And here you can see the accounts you follow on Instagram. And that is how you can find Instagram friends on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.